A new client completes one form. Seconds later, their project folder exists, the internal checklist is assigned, the kickoff brief is ready, and a personalized welcome email is waiting as a draft. But nothing is sent to the client until a person approves it. In this video, we will build that onboarding system in n8n, run it with synthetic client data, deliberately submit a duplicate, and break one step to make sure failures cannot stay silent. The manual process looks harmless. Copy the client's details from a form. Create a folder. Copy a project checklist. Write the welcome message. Tell the team. The problem is not that any one task is difficult. The problem is that the process happens when everyone is busy celebrating the sale. A misspelled folder, forgotten task, duplicated email, or premature message creates a poor first impression. So our goal is not maximum automation. It is consistent preparation with a clear human checkpoint. Here is the architecture. The form trigger receives 6 required fields. An edit field step normalizes the data. Validation rejects incomplete submissions. A duplicate guard checks a stable client key before anything is created. The successful path creates the workspace, kickoff brief, and project tasks in parallel. It then builds an email draft and pauses at approval. Finally, an audit record proves what happened. A separate error workflow alerts the owner if any external service fails. We start with the n8n form trigger. Our synthetic client is Juniper Legal. We ask for company name, primary contact, email, service package, kickoff date, and project goal. Avoid open-ended questions when a controlled option will work. Package names should come from a drop-down, and dates should use a date field. Structured input reduces mapping errors later. Sensitive credentials, identity documents, and payment details do not belong in a general onboarding form unless the entire storage and access design has been reviewed. Next, an edit fields node creates a predictable record. We trim extra spaces, lowercase the email address, convert the company name into a safe folder slug, and create an onboarding key from the normalized email and package. Then an if node verifies that the required values exist. If validation fails, the workflow stops before creating partial client records. This is cheaper and safer than discovering bad input after 4 external actions have already succeeded. The duplicate guard is the most important unglamorous step. Before creating anything, the workflow searches the onboarding log for the stable key. If it already exists, the run stops and notifies the owner instead of creating a second folder and a second welcome draft. Do not rely only on a person's name because names can repeat and spellings can change. Use a stable business identifier appropriate to your process and decide intentionally whether a new service package should create a new project or update the existing client. On the successful path, the Google Drive node creates a client folder using a consistent name. Inside it, we create admin, assets, deliverables, and meetings. A kickoff brief records the submitted goal, package, owner, and plan start date. In a production workflow, use the narrowest account permissions possible and create folders inside one dedicated parent. The automation should not have access to every document in the business simply because it needs to create 4 folders. The selected service package determines which tasks are created. Our growth package produces 6 tasks. Review the brief, confirm access requirements, prepare the kickoff agenda, verify brand assets, schedule the first delivery, and complete the internal readiness check. In n8n, these can be separate ClickUp task actions or a loop over a package-specific task list. Every task needs an owner and a due date rule. Automation that creates an unassigned pile of tasks only moves the confusion into another app. Now we prepare the welcome email. The template uses only approved fields: contact name, package, kickoff date, and the next action. The message is created as a Gmail draft. An internal reviewer checks the recipient, dates, promised deliverables, and tone. For a simple approval, n8n also supports sending a message and waiting for approval. More complex reviews can use a wait node and a dedicated approval page. The important design choice is that a generated message never becomes a client commitment without review. Next, we deliberately make the task step fail. The main workflow records the last successful stage and throws an error. An error trigger workflow sends an internal alert containing the client key, failed node, execution link, and safe retry instructions. It does not include the full form submission because alerts are often copied into less controlled systems. For external APIs, retry only errors that are likely to be temporary. A validation error should be fixed, not retried 5 times. Now we run the workflow using Juniper Legal. The clean submission creates 1 workspace, 6 assigned tasks, 1 kickoff brief, 1 email draft, and 1 audit entry. We submit the same onboarding key again. The duplicate guard blocks it, leaving the original outputs unchanged. Finally, we force the task service to fail. The workflow records the failure and creates an internal alert instead of pretending onboarding completed. These are synthetic outputs, but the tests are the same ones to run before connecting real client accounts. Here is the proof card. Required fields were validated. Duplicate creation was blocked. The folder tree, kickoff brief, and 6 tasks were prepared. The welcome message remained a draft. A forced failure produced an internal alert. What is not automated? Deciding whether the client is ready, checking the commitments in the email, granting sensitive access, and handling unusual contracts. That is deliberate. The strongest onboarding workflow removes repetitive preparation while making responsibility clearer. Use this structure as a starting point, then replace the example folder, task, and email steps with the tools your business already uses. Test with synthetic data, document the owner of every credential, and keep client-facing actions behind approval until the workflow has earned your trust. In the next build, we will create a Gmail triage assistant that drafts replies but never sends them automatically. Subscribe for business automations that are built, tested, and explained without the hype.